Welcome to AI Unleashed, the channel where we explore how artificial intelligence is transforming the world faster than ever before. Let's dive in. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool. It's making decisions that shape the economy, influence politics, and even control what we see online. What if I told you that AI is already running the world, and we barely notice it? From social media manipulation to stock market domination, AI is secretly influencing every aspect of our lives. And the craziest part? We didn't vote for it. We didn't choose it. It just happened. Let's dive into how AI is quietly taking over and what it means for the future. AI controls what we see every day. AI decides what news we read, what videos we watch, and even what opinions we form. Social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok use AI algorithms to control what appears on your feed. They track your behavior, analyze what keeps you engaged, and then push content designed to manipulate your emotions. Ever wondered why political divisions feel worse than ever? AI is optimizing for engagement, not truth. This isn't just about entertainment, it's about power. The more AI controls our information, the more it can influence elections, protests, and even world events. AI is running the economy. Right now, AI is making more financial decisions than humans. High-frequency trading algorithms control 80% of the stock market, executing trades faster than any human can react. AI analyzes trends, predicts crashes, and even manipulates market behavior, all without human oversight. The scary part? A single AI glitch or malfunction could crash the global economy in seconds. Are we really in control? Or are we just watching from the sidelines as AI dictates who wins and who loses? AI in warfare and cyber attacks. Governments around the world are investing billions into AI-powered weapons, drones, and cyber warfare. We now have autonomous AI drones that can identify and eliminate targets without human approval. And with AI cyber attacks, entire power grids, financial systems, and security networks can be taken down in an instant. The next world war won't be fought with soldiers. It will be fought with AI. And whoever controls the most advanced AI controls the world. Can we stop it? So if AI is already running the economy, controlling information, and shaping global warfare, is there any way to stop it? Here's what you can do. 1. Stay informed. The more you understand how AI works, the better you can navigate the future. 2. Be conscious of your digital footprint. The AI algorithms tracking you know more about you than you do. 3. Learn how to use AI before it replaces you. The best way to survive the AI revolution is to be on the right side of it. AI isn't coming. It's already here. And the question isn't whether it will take over. The question is, will you be a player in the AI revolution, or will you be controlled by it? Subscribe for more AI insights, and let's stay ahead of the curve together. The future is happening now. Let's make sure we're ready. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI-driven content every week. The future of AI is happening right now. Don't get left behind. Subscribe to AI Unleashed, and let's explore the future together.